The hyacinth macaw, scientifically known as Anodorhynchus hyacinthinus, is a captivating bird native to the majestic rainforests of South America, renowned for its vibrant cobalt blue plumage, immense size, and striking yellow eye rings. This parrot truly stands out among its feathered counterparts. Beyond its mesmerizing appearance, the hyacinth macaw possesses a charming personality that makes it a beloved companion for bird enthusiasts worldwide. With their affectionate nature and playful demeanor, these parrots can form strong bonds with their owners, bringing joy and companionship to their lives. The habitat of the hyacinth macaw primarily revolves around the lush forests, palm groves, and swamps of Brazil, Bolivia, and Paraguay. The hyacinth macaw's diet primarily consists of palm nuts, seeds, and fruits found in their native habitat. Their strong beaks are perfectly adapted for cracking open the tough outer shells of various nuts. By dispersing seeds through their droppings, these parrots play a